Hello everyone. Today we shall look into list of few functions which belongs to selection functions. Here we have a repeat function where it repeats a list. This is a blank query. I'll quickly make a list and make use of it. Here I have a list dot repeat where it repeats the list. Okay, I'll write repeat. Could select on it. Okay, here as you open the parenthesis you could see that you could provide a list. Okay, similar to this you could provide a list. I'll provide a list from 1 to 10. Okay, and in the second parameter you could see that you could count as number. Suppose that I'll type 2 and check on this mark. Here you could see that list is repeated twice from 1 to 10 and again from 1 to 10. Suppose that we have a new table which where countries are present. Okay, I'll again take a blank query where I could show you how to use the text column. I'll write new table and in pen and in square brackets I'll write column name countries. As I click on it, here you could see the list. Okay, I'll add a new step. Okay, the previous step is my source. Okay, I'll repeat this countries list. I'll type list dot repeat, open the parenthesis. In the list parameter I'll provide source because that is my list. Okay, this is my list which is the source of last step. And in the count I would suppose I would want the list to repeat twice. I'll click OK. Here you could see that my countries list also has repeated. This is how list dot repeat works. Okay, I'll rename it as repeat one. Okay, here let us see how replace range function works. This is a blank query. I'll explain you about replace range. I'll type equal to replace range. Here you could see that list dot replace range. As I open the parenthesis, you could see that it is prompting for a list. Suppose that I'll type list from 1 to 20. Okay, I'll type the index number. Okay, I'll type the index number. Suppose that I want index from index number 5, and suppose that I want to replace 5 numbers after that. Okay, and I want to replace it with a list. Suppose that instead of 6, the number 5 as index, it will be like 6 7 8 9 10. Instead of 6 7 8 9 10, suppose that I want 61 comma 71 comma 81 comma 91 and 101. I'll click OK. Here you could see that till my fifth number I have the same numbers. Since I have replaced the range, the second parameter is my starting index. The list starts from 0. So as I given 5, it starts from 6th. From 6th, the third parameter is counts. From 6th, it will count 5 numbers from 6th row, and then it will replace with the given list of values. You may decrease or even increase the values. Suppose that even if I give 3 values, it will consider the list and enter the same values. Okay, here you could see that it has changed. This is how list.replace range works, and I could show you with our countries column as well. This is our countries column where we have in the new table. I'll quickly create a blank query and show you how to replace the range of values. Suppose that I will replace range. Okay, I'll open the parenthesis. I'll give the new table column name as countries in the square brackets, and in the second parameter, suppose that I'll start from 0. I have initial 2 countries. I want to replace them. I'll provide count as 2, and then I'll replace with a list of other countries. Suppose that I want to replace with Canada, comma, or and Korea. Okay, so as I click on check mark, here you could see that my first 2 countries has replaced with has been replaced with Canada and Korea instead of this India and China. So this is how replace range function works. First you provide the list, the index number, and then the count, and then the list of values with which you have to replace. I'll rename the query as replace range 1, and we shall move on to the other function. uh, for, for I mean till now you have understood about list dot repeat, where you repeat, and list dot replace range, where you replace the range of values. Let us move on to the other function where you replace the value directly. Okay, I'll type equal to, I'll type replace value. Okay, here you have list dot replace value. Open the parenthesis. You need to provide list. Okay, I'll provide the list from 1 to 10. I'll type comma. Suppose that I have my old value, I want to replace 1, okay, with suppose 100. Okay, and then the third parameter is the new value, second parameter is the old value, third parameter is the new value with which I have to replace. Fourth parameter, I have replacer as function. In order to replace values, there is a function called the replacer dot replace value. As you type, it will prompt, and you could close the parenthesis and hit enter. Here you could see that instead of 1, my value is replaced with 100. And in the fourth parameter, here you could see that I have used the replacer dot replace value function. This is how replace value function works. I'll quickly give you another example using my countries column. I'll click on blank query. Okay, rename it as replace value 1. Here I'll type new table, countries, enter. This is my list of source. I'll quickly add another step. Okay, this is my another step. I'll type replace value, list dot replace value. Open the list. I'll provide the list as my source, comma. Suppose that in my first value there is India, and suppose that I want to change it to capital values. I'll capital value. I'll change India with capital India. In the fourth parameter, since it is a text value, I'll type replacer dot replace text instead of replace value. Okay, this is the only change when you use the textual data. Apart from that, the function acts the same. Here, as I entered it, here you could see that my India is replaced with capitals. Suppose that instead of capital I, suppose that I type small I and hit enter. Here you could see that the change didn't occur because Power Query is case sensitive. Case sensitive means it, capital letters and small letters are different. Here we have seen about how to use replace dot list dot replace value function. Okay, I'll quickly move on to the other function, which is replace matching items. Okay, I'll type equal to, this is my blank query. I'll type replace matching items, list dot replace matching items. I'll open the parenthesis. I have to provide a list. Okay, in the first place, suppose that I provide list from 1 to 10. Okay, in the list of 1 to 10, suppose that I want to change the value of 5. Okay, instead of 5 I want 50. I'll type in the curly brackets, I'll open another curly bracket, and I'll type 5 comma minus instead of 5 I want 50. I'll type 50. As I click enter, here you could see that my value of 5 is now replaced with 50. Please notice here that in the second parameter I have to place the replacement as a list. Okay, this replacement, it is nested in a list. Okay, it is a list of a list, so that the value doesn't misplace. This is the format where we use the replacement of list in order to make the change of replace matching items from a list of 1 to 10. Suppose that even if I want to make another change after this curly bracket of internal curly bracket, I'll put a comma. I'll again open curly braces. instead of suppose that instead of 10 I want 1,000. I'll type 10 comma 1,000 and then hit enter. Here you could see, sorry, here I'll type 1,000. Here as I click enter, here you could see that instead of 10 my value is replaced with 1,000. Please try to make sure that you use this curly braces correctly, otherwise you won't be able to use this function appropriately. So this is how list dot replace matching items work with numbers. I'll quickly create a blank query and show you how it works with textual data. Here I have new table along with the countries column. Okay, here we have 9 countries. I'll make add another step. Okay, I'll type replace matching items. I'll open the parenthesis. In the list, I'll provide the source as my source. Okay, I'll put a comma. In the replacements list, suppose that I'll put two curly brackets. And in the replacement, suppose that instead of India, like I want to replace it with maybe Canada. Okay, I'll type Canada. So here it will replace the matching items in the list. I'll click OK. Here you could see that instead of India, now it is Canada, which has been replaced. So this is how list.replace matching items work. Please do practice and explore. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.